Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 605. In this video I'll show you how to unlock your smartphone if you forgot screen lock. In case you've forgotten your lock screen password, you can always wipe all data via recovery mode. Take a note that this function will remove all data from your smartphone, all photos, contacts, etc. Also, you will have to set up your smartphone again. In order to do it, firstly, turn off the smartphone. And now, when it will turn off completely, press and hold power button and volume up button until you enter recovery mode. Firstly, we will enter fastboot. Select recovery by pressing volume up button and confirm by pressing volume down button. Now, select Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm by pressing power button, Factory Data Reset, and now we have to wait. This procedure will erase everything from the smartphone, also with the screen lock. Reboot system now. And now you will have to set up your smartphone from the beginning. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.